Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Globally, equities are under a lot of pressure. We are seeing profit taking at each highs. Although the markets are holding above their previous lows, at higher levels, we are seeing equal amount of selling pressure in the market. The 10-year bond yield, which was around some 3.954% level, is now at 4.15, and the dollar index is very close to the levels of 104. Crude is not bouncing, and gold and silver are trading at their highs. So while looking at the global macros and the way there is underperformance or a weakness in the equities, we are of the view that our markets are also going to remain under pressure. Today, the important level is 24,700 at the beginning. If we see the market is sustaining below the same, then the next level to watch out for would be 24,600 and 24,500. 24,500 was the previous lowest level, and on the dismissal of 24,500, the chances of hitting 24,200 and 24,000 in next maybe few days or weeks. So broadly, the market is like finding difficulties to sustain at higher levels, and in case if there is any recovery in today's date, then we need to see that whether the market can manages to sustain above the levels of 24,900 or not. Above that also there is one more leg of resistance, and that is 25,000, 25,050. Between these levels there is huge amount of call writing, and which will keep the market and index under downward pressure. So crossing 25,050 is utmost important for the next leg of upward activity in the market. Bank Nifty was also down on Monday. It opened higher, but it failed to sustain at higher levels, and it closed at the lowest point of the day. 51,700 is the immediate support level, and below that the chances of hitting 51,300 and 51,000 would turn bright. So for Bank Nifty also we need to be careful, and we need to see that whether the Bank Nifty can manages to sustain above the 50 days simple moving average or not, which is at 51,700. If it sustains, then the again chances of hitting 52,500 would turn bright. But the way there is like performance of other indices, we are of the view that Bank Nifty would also remain under downward pressure. Commodities as well as IT stocks are also finding profit taking at each resistance level, and most of these stocks have shown weakness and downward reversal on Monday. So broadly we are of the view that we need to be careful in this market, and as we are advising and discussing on a regular basis, we should look for reducing long position whenever there is any short-term rally in the market at important support resistance levels like 24,900 and 25,000. That's all from my side. With this I am ending today's call. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a great day to all of you.